Dear learners, good morning to everyone. Thank you very much for joining us in our platform Moodle at L'Université University of Blida in Algeria. Today we're going to present our second lecture titled What is Information and Communication Technology? So I have divided my second lecture into the following elements as follows. What is information and communication technology? What are the main benefits of information and communication technology? Language activities including building vocabulary, pronunciation, and grammar. And finally, your assessment including quizzes, tests, exams. What is information and communication technology? Information and communication technology, abbreviate of ICT, is the use of computing and telecommunication technology systems and tools to facilitate the way information is created, collected, processed, transmitted, and stored. What are the main benefits of information and communications technology? ICT has a wide range of applications in different fields. The benefits of ICT in different fields are as follows. ICT in entertainment, in medical science, in finance, in education, in business, and finally ICT in political and military aspects. Language activities, the compound noun information technology as, as an uncountable noun, abbreviation of IT, means the study or use of electronic equipment, especially computers, for storing, accessing, analyzing, and sending information. For example, recent advances in information technology have led to important changes in the operation of offices. Finally, learners, please don't forget to take a look at your different types of assessment, including quizzes, tests, and exams. Thank you for your attention. See you next time.